I have been a certified Audi technician since 2002. Been with Bergstrom for 14 years, started there in 2012. Now master certified.
I'm a General Motors world-class service technician. Been at the dealership coming up on 19 years.
I am a master technician and shop foreman for Bergstrom Volkswagen in Green Bay. I work in cars, help people out, try to have fun doing it.
The culture at Bergstrom Automotive is difficult to describe only because to understand it, you'd have to be part of it. You know, we are taught to treat every guest like family, treat our coworkers like family. The camaraderie, the team that is in this company is something that can't be described. The mission statement that Bergstrom Automotive has is exactly, could not have possibly been written better than how we take care of our guests.
Culture is important. I mean, essentially, this is a family-owned company. We treat everybody as family.
For me, the culture feels like, if I could just sum it up in a couple of words, is get her done and have fun.
I can guarantee you that this company cares about our customers and their employees more than any other dealership. I've worked at other dealerships. This is by far a company that knows what they're doing and knows how to do things the right way.
I think there's a lot of opportunity. I love the people that I work with, and honestly, the pay is pretty good. So between the pay and benefits and people, I think it's a great place to work.
Because Bergstrom actually supports us as technicians to grow in our career. So they will help us with additional training or tech school for the younger guys to grow their craft.
All the buildings here at Bergstrom are state-of-the-art facilities. They're all extremely clean and well put together. All the tooling that you could ever want is all available at your fingertips. It's all manufacturer-approved equipment, and it's great.
Blessed to have nice managers that, they'll tell me that, hey, thanks for staying late or thanks for doing this. We really appreciate you. They use those words. It's not something that you're supposed to hear. It's something that you do hear.
The flexibility of Bergstrom has probably been the most appreciated aspect of being an employee.
I'm thankful that Bergstrom allows flexibility and a good life and work balance. So if I need to take out a half an hour early to go get practice started, it's normally pretty flexible to do that.
Bergstrom is a place where you can grow a career and not just work a job due to our size. Having so many locations across the state of Wisconsin, if there's a city you would rather live in or a brand you would rather work with, we can usually accommodate that.
And at the end of the day, either you look back and say, I made a lot of money today, or maybe I laughed a lot today. I made good connections with some of my coworkers, and at the end of the day, there's always something that's there.
Talk to our managers. They'll let you know what the pay is and compare that way, and I think you'd be hard-pressed to find a reason to not come here and work.